Hear how the wind begins to whisper. Hear how the leaves go streaming by. Smell how the velvet rain is pouring out where the fields are warm and dry. Now is the time to run inside and stay. Now is the time to find a hideaway where we can stay. Soon it's gonna rain, I can feel it. Soon it's gonna rain, I can tell. Soon it's gonna rain. What are we gonna do? Soon it's gonna rain, I can see it. Soon it's gonna rain, I can tell. Soon it's gonna rain, what are we gonna do? We'll find 4 walls and a limb, and we'll build 4 walls and a floor. We'll bind it over with leaves and run inside to stay. Soon it's gonna rain. We'll not feel it, then we'll let it rain. Rain pell-mell, then we'll not complain if it never rains at all. We'll build a love behind our own 4 walls. You ain't never heard it like that. Soon it's gonna rain by the Fantastiks. Thank you.